breakdown? Lost hours, lost money. But what if your machines could warn you before they fail? Let's talk about something that decides whether your factory keeps running or suddenly stops. Meet MTBF and MTTR, the heartbeat of every factory. They tell you how reliable your machines are and how fast you bounce back from failure. Two small terms. Big impact. What is MTBF? MTBF stands for mean time between failures. It tells you how long your machine runs before something breaks. Higher MTBF? Your machine is more reliable. Lower MTBF? Frequent breakdowns, a red flag. For example, if your conveyor breaks down every 100 hours, your MTBF is 100. If you improve your system and it now breaks every 200 hours, your MTBF just doubled. That's reliability in action. And what about MTTR? MTTR means mean time to repair. It tells you how fast your team gets things up and running after a breakdown. Shorter MTTR equals better efficiency. Long MTTR seeks more downtime, more losses. Let's say your packaging robot takes 2 hours to fix every time it breaks. That's your MTTR. But if your team improves and now it takes just 45 minutes, your MTTR just got better. That's maintainability. Why do these two matter? Together, MTBF and MTTR give you powerful insights. You can predict risks, plan spares, reduce unplanned downtime, and improve asset health. But here's the real shift. We're moving from reactive and preventive maintenance to something smarter, predictive maintenance. How is the data collected? Modern factories are full of sensors: temperature, vibration, current, speed, pressure. This is called industrial IoT, machines constantly sending data in real time. The data is sent to a key, central dashboard, usually in the cloud, where software like IBM Maximo, SAP Predictive Insights, or Azure IoT Hub analyzes it. These tools calculate live MTBF and MTTR values. They also flag anomalies. Say, a motor's temperature is rising faster than usual? That's a warning. What happens next? Here's where AI and machine learning come in. They find hidden patterns. They learn from past failures, and they predict the next failure before it happens. This means you can plan maintenance before breakdowns. No surprise stoppages, no expensive downtime. Just smooth operations, and it gets cooler with visualization. Using digital twins, you can see a 3D replica of your machine. Technicians can zoom in on any part. Combine that with augmented reality, and they can even see repair instructions or part health in real time using a tablet or smart glasses. Imagine pointing your phone at a machine, and it tells you which bolt to tighten or which part is cracked. That's not sci-fi. It's happening right now. Who's using this? Global giants like GE, Toyota, Bosch, and Siemens have already implemented predictive maintenance and digital twins. They've seen up to 25% reduction in downtime and millions saved in repair costs. So the next time you hear MTBF or MTTR, don't brush it off. It's not just maintenance jargon. It's the language of performance. It's how machines talk and how smart factories listen. Because in today's world, you don't wait for things to break. You predict, you prevent, you perform.